In Excel, you can write a function that displays the current date and time that will update automatically anytime your spreadsheet is open. This is amazing because it allows you to automatically flag your data as expired, overdue, or any other time-based parameter that you can think of. And today, I'm going to show you how to do this. Up first, let's talk about pulling the current date. Go into the cell that you want the current date to appear in and type equals today with an open and close parentheses. Once this is typed out, you can go ahead and click enter and you'll see that the current date has appeared. From here, you can reference this cell with an if function or any other function and have Excel define your data relative to the current date. If you want to know the current time in addition to the current date, just go ahead and type equals now with an open and close parentheses and then click enter. Same as before, this is going to tell you the current date, but this time the time is added as well. With both of these functions, it's really important that you click the like button on the current video you're watching and then the subscribe button for my channel. I'm new to YouTube and every subscriber really helps. These two functions are great and super helpful, but did you know that there's actually 14 functions related to date and time in Excel? Check out the video here to understand how each of these functions works and where you can use them. Thanks for watching. Remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.